Homeward Bound Daily Devotional by Alan G. White. Mansions for the Redeemed. December 21st. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. John chapter 14 verse 2. Christ, by his sacrifice paying the penalty of sin, would not only redeem mankind, but recover the dominion which they had forfeited. All that was lost by first Adam will be restored by the second. The prophet says, O tower of the flock, the stronghold of the daughter of Zion, to thee shall it come, even the first dominion. Paul points forward to the redemption of the purchased possession. God created the earth to be the abode of the holy, happy being. That purpose will be fulfilled when renewed by the power of God and freed from sin and sorrow. It shall become the eternal home of the redeemed. A fear of making the future inheritance seem too material has led many to spiritualize away the very truths which lead us to look upon it as our home. Christ assures his disciples that he went to prepare mansions for them in his Father's house. Those who accept the teachings of God's word will not be wholly ignorant concerning the heavenly abode. And yet eye hath not seen, nor ear heard, neither hath entered into the hearts of man the things which God has prepared for them that love him. Human language is inadequate to describe the reward of the righteous. It will be known only to those who behold it. No finite mind can comprehend the glory of paradise of God. In the Bible, the inheritance of the saved is called a country. There the heavenly shepherd leads his flock to fountains of living water. The tree of life yields its fruit every month, and the leaves of the tree are for the service of the nation. There are ever-flowing streams, clear as crystal, and besides them, waving trees cast their shadows upon the paths prepared for the ransom of the Lord. There the wide-spreading plains swell into hills of beauty, and the mountains of God rear their lofty summits. On those peaceful plains, besides those living streams, God's people, so long pilgrims and wanderers, shall find a home. All the paternal love which has come down from generation to generation through the channels of human hearts are all the springs of tenderness which have opened in the souls of men and women are but a tiny rill to the boundless ocean when compared with the infinite, exhaustless love of God. This is your daily devotional. Thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please check the comment section for further study notes. Homeward Bound.